This is a tree or a la'au. La'au. O la'au are trees, multiple trees. But if I say ole la'au, that's one tree, the tree. Lene is this. Olene la'au, this tree. Olene la'au. Now, if I move further away from the tree, it is that tree. That tree. Olena la'au. Lena, olena la'au. Now, if I move way far away from the tree, now it is that tree way over there. Lela, o lela la'au. Olela la'au. That tree way over there. So, lene is this, lena is that, and lela is that way over there. Olene la'au, olena la'au, further away, olela la'au. Now, we can also say lene, lena, and lela after the noun. But if you do that, you got to make sure that o la'au, or trees, turns into a singular tree. Ole la'au lene, ole la'au lena, ole la'au lela. Alternate words are lea, lele, and lale. Lea, lele, ole la'au lale. As always, to get some practice using these words, go to PodSpeakerPage.net.